How to verify your age on TikTok to go live. So let's get started with the tutorial. You must be at least 18 years old in order to go live on TikTok. If your age is incorrect or you are under 18, you won't see the live options. To verify the age, all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option available on your screen. Now once you tap on the settings and privacy, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the report a problem option available there. Now again scroll down till the bottom, tap on the chat with us, and here all you have to do is type down that you could not verify your age. Make sure you type down what I am typing right now. Then it will give you some options to follow. At the bottom, you'll get to see 3-4 options available there. From there, simply tap on the I'm facing is verification problem and send it to the TikTok support. Now, TikTok will send you what you want to do. Simply tap on the I want to update my birth date. Now here, tap on the form option available there, and all you have to do is fill out the form and attach the actual identity of yours, your citizenship card, your passport, anything, and then TikTok will update your birth date. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.